Handmaiden friends. Today we are testing out something that we've heard a rumor about. We heard a rumor that you could make a cake with a box mix and soda. Not baking soda, but bubbly, sweet, delicious soda.
I heard a rumor where you can make it out of pickles.
You cannot make a cake out of pickles. You probably can make a cake out of pickles, and we can figure that out next time. But today, we are continuing on with our no eggs, no butter, and we're using some soda. The whole bottle of soda was $1. Our box of cake mix was $1.14, and our container of frosting was also $1.14.
If you say that makes $3.
So, out in yonder kitchen, we have the oven preheating to 350 degrees, like it says to do on the box.
And we move.
Yes. And we have cake mix, soda, right? That's all we're going to use, except for our pan still needs to be greased. So we have shortening for greasing it and some flour for dusting it. Yeah, that's going to be your mixing spoon, Buzz. Okay. Oh, who wants to open that box? I don't want to open the box. Okay.
Hold on. I gotta get my froggy out. Hold up. This yellow hoodie is a little big for me. A little bit.
Okay, Baz is going to take this one while you get your hand out, Frog. Green Frog, you work on that. Oh, it's such a tough box. Woo! Got it. Good. Open. Perfect.
Look at that lady.
Mommy's gonna open it. Okay, since your brother freed the bag. Oh, did Green Frog leave us?
Yeah.
Okay. We couldn't be here. I know how much he likes baking. Here, you pour that in the bowl.
He likes math too.
He does like math.
Me and
Green
Green
Frog.
have the same exact hoodie and the same exact pants.
I know.
Wow.
Crazy. Well, you know, there's a lot of math and measuring in baking, so maybe that's why Green Frog likes math and baking. So the rumors say 1 can of soda. A can of soda, we don't have a can, we have a whole bottle. So we're gonna measure out 1.5 cups.
There's pink sprinkles in this.
There is pink sprinkles. It's, what is it?
Cream soda?
No, not the soda. What does the box say? What kind of cake mix are we using?
Vanilla, I think?
It is Pillsbury Funfetti cake mix with candy bits. Exciting!
Does it say what flavor?
No, Funfetti. That's it.
Funfetti.
Yep, Funfetti.
I need to use the bathroom.
Excellent. It says right on the box here, instead of eggs, you could use 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. And instead of oil, you could use 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce. We know this, baby. But they do not say anywhere to use 12 ounces of soda. Why did you just sneak out of there, sir?
Nothing.
Nothing? Nothing? Oh. Okay.
There's a lot of sprinkles.
There is a lot of sprinkles. Okay. Israel, do you want to pour the soda in? Hurry. So, I heard...
Hold on. He's still using the box thing with me.
Oh. No, it doesn't go in the pan, darling. It goes into the powder, Lime Frog.
Maybe he knows a little better at this.
Maybe he's a good man for the job. Okay. Basil, you want to stir? Oh, it's a toughie. So I heard heard that the whole eggs, water, oil production in these box mixes.
Yo, it looks like if this is cake powder flavored soda.
It does. It's really frothy. It's very
Smells
frothy.
good.
It does smell good. That they only put this in here to make people feel like they've done something, to make people feel like they've baked something. That there's enough leavening agent inside of this box mix to really raise it on its own. Okay, so you did some mixing. Frogman, do you want to do some mixing?
Lime frog. You really
Lime
want
frog.
fire.
Here, I'm going to, careful, don't spread it all over the table. I'm just going to take out a little shortening here. Do you want to do the dirty job of rubbing it all over the pan, or do you want me to do that?
I'll do it.
You'll do it?
It smells delicious.
Oh, it really does. I think that the cream soda was the right flavor. There's all different combinations people are using. You know, chocolate cake with a Pepsi was the other one that we made. We know that this works. And did we do one with root beer too? I thought we did a root beer cake.
No, we didn't.
We didn't?
I don't remember. I didn't even remember.
I don't either. Here, I'm gonna help, because I'm gonna go right in with my hand. What?
Really?
Well, I washed it before we got going.
Really?
I washed both of them, actually. Super.
Good.
Yeah, I know.
You have to use your hands.
I do, because that spatula's taking the rest of our life. We'll never have cake.
We won't if you keep using your hands.
Okay. So, just a little flour. You don't need to do that. What we do to get the flour around is we shake our pan.
That's truly.
And that gets the flour just coating over so that the cake doesn't stick in the pan, which isn't going to be a huge problem for us because we're going to serve it right in the pan because we are not fancy today. It's just going to be us. We'll have this for maybe a little dessert after dinner. Yeah.
That's right.
You like dessert, don't you? After your
I
dinner.
need to use the bathroom.
Everyone needs to use the bathroom. What a day. What a bathroomy day. Alright, so that's good enough. Let's scoop. Let's scoop our soda batter in, which I have to say does look a little fluffier than a normal batter.
I was just waiting for you to get out of the bathroom. He's out. Now I'll use it.
Okay. So while the
Is
frogs
going to explode?
are gone, we're going to put this in our oven. Now a little tip about ovens and preheating that I didn't used to heed, a little advice, is wait till your oven is actually preheated. Having an oven that is hot enough will guarantee a nice fluffy cake. I used to slip my cakes in right as soon as they started preheating. I said, why waste that heat? I'm incredibly, cheap penny pincher. And the reason why you want to waste that heat is because your cake won't rise properly if it goes from 0 to 350. Here, do you guys want some?
Yeah.
We got to do something with this extra soda.
Drink it.
We might as well drink it because it's delicious. Oops. Here, how about you just wait? Okay. So while you fellas are enjoying your soda, I'm going to go put the cake in the oven for the same 34 to 38 minutes that it calls for on the box. That's right. That's right.
So we have to wait for it to cool and then we frost it. It smells and looks.
It really does. You agree? Smells and looks beautiful.
Does this kid want to try some? Steak, it's not ready.
So it is important to let the cake cool before you frost it, otherwise the cake comes apart. But you can see it pulled away from the edges here, and squish, squish. It's a real cake. We'll cut it open after we've got it frosted.
Needs to go on the edges. This sprinkles everywhere, on top, inside. Maybe knives are better for spreading. Here. Those knives are better for spreading.